Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X7 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Now let's tap on System Navigation option. And as you can see here, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we've got the gestures, which we will set in a minute, and here we've got 3-key navigation, which is currently applied. Before we will set the gestures, I'd like to simply show you the 3-key navigation, because if you will decide that you want to stick with this option, you can customize it here. So simply tap on the settings, and as you can see, you can reorder the options, so you can reorder the back button and the recents, depending of course which option is most comfortable for you. You can also hide navigation keys if you want to. So let's go back to the gestures, and in order to set it, just tap on it. Actually, that was not right, because I've immediately entered the tutorial. Just tap on this dot here. And here your device will ask you if you want to go through the tutorial, which will learn you how to teach you actually how to use the gestures. I don't want to do that because I will show you. So as you can see, actually immediately the 3 buttons simply disappeared. Instead, we've got this line which is responsible for particular actions. And before I'll show you, let's enter the settings, because again we can customize it. Here we've got also of course the animation of how to use the gestures. And here you can customize them, so you can show the navigation bar, you can show this line, or hide it. I will do it because I prefer this look. You can slide across bottom to switch the apps, or you can set the Google Assistant. It's up to you which option you like to use. Here you can also try out the gestures, so you can go through the tutorial. But let me actually show you how they work. So if you'd like to get back to the previous page, so let's say use a back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, and if you will see this arrow, just release the finger. And as you can see, we just got back to the system navigation. It doesn't really matter from which side you will do it. You can do it from the left or from the right. It works the same. If you'd like to get back to the home page, then simply swipe your finger up from the bottom to the center of your device, just like that, and here we've got the home page. And if you want to enter the recents, you have to do the same motion, so from the bottom to the center, but this time do it gently and kind of slowly, and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And as you can see here, we've got the recent, so all previously opened apps. So basically that's all. This is how to set the gestures in your Honor X7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.